Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick tip that is going to help your editing process in Premiere Pro. Now it's so annoying when you are just looking for that one clip because you are not organized and the browser is just full of unused file. Now typically what you normally have to do will be to scroll over to the search bar over here and search for the name of that file. But what if you don't even know what the name of that file is? Luckily, there's a tip in Premiere Pro that can fix all of that. Simply come over to your Windows tab over here and select Edit. And under Edit, you can select Remove Unused. And this will automatically remove all the files that you are not using on that project. And as you can see, all those multiple files has been taken out. You can also select the clips that you don't need and then just right click and select hide. And to bring them back, simply right click and select view hidden. And that's it guys. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.